Welcome to what we're currently calling Rockhill Manor, and this is 1006 on Rockhill, right in the middle of West Central. In fact, that is Washington Elementary. There's our neighbors over there, Emmanuel Church, right in the middle of West Central. This building was built in the, probably like the 80s, and so we're going to do with a little bit newer stuff. As you can see, this building was beat, by the way. It's the 1st of June, 2021. We just laid brand new hardwood bamboo floors everywhere, updated the lighting. This unit does have central air conditioning. The techs were out just today and got all that central air going. The kitchen, I love the kitchen. It's got the brand new refrigerator, I think. Oh yeah, brand spanking new refrigerator, brand spanking new stove, beautiful cabinets, new countertops, the deep well sink, excuse me, I'm hiccuping a little, the big gooseneck so that you can actually do dishes. Good, big, nice open space too. And you've got a closet right here. You can do a little bit of storage in it. Also, that is your hot water heater. Close that back up. Bathroom, everything a bathroom needs, and the curved shower rod. Once you get a curved shower rod, you're never going to go back. Lots of good shelves, toilet, sink, very modern, everything it needs. And then the bedroom is huge, 14 by 14, 12 by 14. I mean, a big, big, big bedroom. And got a nice big closet right there. Again, we put in the overhead lights. You got parking out back. Somebody's coming up. There's your dumpster. So there is parking on property. Again, central air conditioning. I'm at apartment 15 in Rockhill Manor. This is 1006 Rockhill. It might be listed as 1107. It's a big building and the software has to have it somewhere. Here you pay your own electric in an all-electric unit. So it's electric heat, electric central air conditioning, electric hot water, electric lights, and then you pay, of course, the small water sewer fee to us, but there is no gas bill. This is a neat unit, man. It really is. I really like it. I really like this kitchen. I'm pretty much in love with this kitchen, actually, you want to be honest. It's got lots of storage, and it looks great. All right, again, apartment 15. Thank you for watching.